Today, the 10th of February 2021, FII bought for 1,787 crores and DII sold for minus 2,076 crores. In past 5 days, FII bought for 8,363 crores and DII sold for minus 6,524 crores. This month, February/2021, FII bought for 18,559 crores and DII sold for minus 9,049 crores. In past 5 months, FII bought for 1,55,619 crores and DII sold for minus 1,23,951 crores. 3 years trend on how FII and DII invested in cash market. All datas are in crore rupees. This graph shows 3 years trend on how FII index options and FII future investments are. All datas are in crore rupees.